Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting immediately. Log into Facebook on your phone or browser and open your profile. Once there, tap the three-dot menu beside your profile controls. This gives quick access to account tools. Choose Activity Log because it records every action, posts, comments, and deletions, and it's where Facebook stores recently removed items temporarily. This step matters. Without Activity Log, you can't reach the recycle bin. Once inside, prepare to filter to deleted items so you can recover or permanently remove them. Now navigate the middle steps. In Activity Log, tap Manage Activity or Filters to narrow results. Find Recently Deleted or Recycle Bin. Facebook sometimes labels it differently, but it's the folder that holds removed content for a limited time. Once selected, you'll see thumbnails, dates, and content type. Use search and date filters to speed up locating a specific post. Make sure to expand items to view full details so you know whether to restore or permanently delete each one. Finish by selecting the item you want to act on and tap Restore to recover them back to your profile. Choose Delete permanently to remove them now. Facebook typically holds deleted content for about 30 days. That's why quick action matters. Once done, confirm the change and refresh your profile to verify. If an expected item is not in the recycle bin, make sure you're in the correct account and time window. If problems persist, check account activity or reach out to Facebook support for recovery options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.